Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we start our video or our vlog tutorial, please subscribe and like this video because today we are going to learn how to download Gacha Live game using an APK. And also, it got unlimited money or diamonds. First, you need to search Happy Mod on Google, just like this, and click the first one that showed here, this Happy Mod, and you just download. Click this download icon here. But since I already got this app, all I need to do is go there and find the game that I want. Easy, right? Okay, where is it? I can't find it. Let's just search Happy. Okay, Happy Mod. Now let's find Gacha Live. Okay, Gacha Live. So I already downloaded this app. Here, I already installed it. So you can just install this, guys. Let us first read the comments here to see if this is really legit. What did it says? What grade do you give to my OCO? It's unimportant. Okay, so you just need to download it. So as you can see, it has 100.7 MB. People rated it almost 5-star. And the version of this mod is 1.1.4. So let's see if this is really correct. Now let's open the game. Where is it? It's already here. I already downloaded this earlier. I just forget how to, record it. Let's just click the play. And wait. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel again, guys. Level 1, but the money here is already 153,000. So, how to customize your gacha person or your I don't know, or this girl. Okay, so she's here. You can flip, make her big or small. You can change the background too, like this. You can also summon pets here. Another character. Okay, here's Phantom. Really cute. Mumble. They're all cute. Okay, now let's go. We can change her eyes here. You can use the arrows, or you can also type the eyes. So it will show all the eyes here. And you can clearly choose, and it is a faster way to choose an eye, in my opinion. rose. You can choose also the rose here. Different rose. You want thick rose, thin rose, sad or worried rose, anything. You can also change the pupils. Anything you prefer. You want it oval, star shape, heart, diamond, and even cross. Also the smile. We have different smiles here. There's something that has fun, sad, a kitty smile, and different varieties of smiles. Oh, it's moving. Oh, amazing. It's moving. Can you believe it? It's really cute. Let's choose this mouth because it's really cute, and I want her that it's like she's talking, and it's like it's me or her. I don't know what to say right now. She looks smart like that, right? Then these are the accessories. If you want to create a tiger girl, you can put this face accessories here. It's really cute. Bandages, you can put bandages on her face. Oh, she's oldie now. You could put a scar. But I don't want her to have that scar. So let's just face. Then let's go to the clothes. You can also choose different kinds of clothes here. This is cute. Everything is cute here. So there are boots here too. Gloves. If you want to put some gloves, you can put two. Socks and pants. Now let's go to others. There are also lots of accessories here like hats, scarves, rings. They also have rings. How cute. Head accessories like this. A snowflake. Cape. They also have capes. You can make superheroes. Gacha persons here. And put them some tails. There are different kinds of tails here. If you want him to make or her a fish, you can make him or her a fish. Then props. You have props here like swords, guns. You can also make someone a Grim Reaper, a fairy, and even a farmer. Shield, you want him or her to have a shield, you can also put her some shields here, different kinds of shields. And okay, so you can change her name. Let's think. Candle. So her name is Candle now. You can also make it random if you don't want a name or you don't have some names in your mind. You can change it or click the random icon here. Now her name is Mari. Okay, you can also change the relationship, personality, and the occupation. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something with this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends. So thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye!